Hello, it's me AMB again, and finally it's 2024, yay. Though for this video will be about how to use wrapper offline my way with my favorite meds. People who gave me the Chrome OS instructions and meds are credited here, and instruction guide link down in the description. Anyways, let's start, shall we? For Windows, all you have to do go to GitHub, search up wrapper offline, go to releases 2.0.0, then click on the one labeled for Windows and it'll install the zip. After the download, extract the zip, and then after that, go to the app and you can now do go animate videos. That is so easy that everyone should know. Now onto Chrome OS, aka your Chromebook. Make sure you are not using a model owned by your school or else you can't do this. Go to System Settings, go to the Developer section and click on Linux. Once you do, set your name and disk size and then install it. Once the install is done, it opens the system terminal. Go to the one labeled Penguin and then set these commands in that order. Once you're done with all that, just type KMENUEDIT in the terminal and then opens to the app. Once you do, go select new item, name it wrapper offline, give it a fitting description and then use that as the command, and for the icon go to the main folder, then to resources, to app and lastly to server to click on the one labeled Favikinico. Once you're done with that, save it, close the app, now it's on the launcher and you can make wrapper videos. Time for my 3 favorite meds. For the stretch mod, you need to copy this link here and paste it to the search bar, watch it install and then go to the wrapper folder /resources/app/animation/41482716384app60 and replace the CCSWF file that's already in it to the one from the mod. Now you can make the characters look sillier or more like the original. For the voice pack, go to this link and download it, unzip it and then move the file to wrapper offline/resources/app and replace the already existing files of TTSJS from the controllers folder and models folder. The voice is sent from the data folder, which all 3 folders are from the wrapper folder, and the real file.js from the tails folder, and replace it to the ones from the voice pack. Now you get many more voices and have the acapella and voice effort voices back. Finally, for the custom assets, go to this link, download the zip file, extract it, then go to wrapper offline/resources/store/39085CB2739137CC store/family and replace the already existing folders to the ones from the asset pack. Now you have more emotions, more actions and more customization. These are all the steps I have for my guide. Thanks for watching, and that's all, folks.
Don't forget to eat all of your potatoes, from Germany.